English language. To understand English, you have to listen it again and again, because when you listen, your English words improve. To learn English, you have to practice every day, because practice makes everything better. I know English language is not easy, but if you do practice, then you can learn it easily. To learn English, you have to think in English as much as possible, because when you think in English, then you try to speak it in English. To learn English, you have to use it in daily life. Like today I want to go outside, and you can say in English, I want to eat apple. You know, it is very simple and daily life use sentences, so you can speak it in English. I hope it will be helpful to understand English language. To learn English, you have to practice with others. It can be anyone like your friends or people. To learn English, you can start with simple sentences like good morning and I am going to school. To learn English, you have practice more and more. If you want to speak English like me, then you can. But for this, you have to practice every day. To learn English, you have to watch English videos on YouTube or Facebook. You have watched few months but regularly. And whatever you watched, try to understand meanings and try to speak same sentences again and again. And if you do it, then I give guarantee you that you can speak correctly English language. So according to me, if you want to speak English language, you have practice with me every day, because it is possible. Keep trying. One day will become when you can speak natural and native English language. Conversation with father. Hello daddy. Good morning. Good morning to my sweetheart. Daddy, I am hungry. Where are you? Okay, my son, I am on my job. But where is your mom? Daddy, your wife is watching TV. She doesn't care me. But I love you, Daddy, because you are my everything. Okay, my sweetheart, I know I will come back soon, okay? But now you go outside to bring something for you, okay? Okay, Daddy, I am going to outside for bring something. But first, you promise me that you come back home soon. Okay, I will promise you that I will come back home soon. But you take care yourself, okay? Okay, Daddy.